Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Tuesday. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix connection error on Epic Games Launcher. So let's get started. At first, let's try solving it through clearing the cache. So let's get into File Explorer. Now in the top over here, search for local app data and enclose it with %sign. Simply enter, and we can see this option called Epic Games Launcher. So let's tap on this and click on Saved and click on Web Cache, and we can see this option Go Cache. Simply right click on it and we can see this Delete option. Simply delete. Once you have cleared the cache, you can try restarting your PC as well. And if your problem is not solved yet, we need to get into epicgames.com and let's get into support. Now in the bottom we can see this option for contact us. So let's tap on this. Now we need to enter all of our details here. Once you are done, we need to write the region for our contact as well. And we need to describe it, that is, we'd like to get this connection error problem solved. And once you are done, simply click on submit and email request. After doing this, we'll get a reply from Epic Games, after which our problem will be solved. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.